Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone outside of the USA. Before we get started, it's important to note that Apple Intelligence will only be available for iPhone 15 Pro models or later. So if you have an older model, including the regular iPhone 15, Apple Intelligence won't be available. Also, this method won't work in China or Europe. You'll have to wait for the official release. For Europe, that's April 2025. The date for China is currently unconfirmed. However, if you're from the UK, like me, this method will work, as we're no longer part of the European Union. With that out of the way, let's begin. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.1 or later. Go to the Settings app, scroll down to General, and then tap Software Update. Check for an update there. As you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18.1. Now that your iPhone is updated, we can enable Apple Intelligence. Now that the iPhone's language and region are set to the United States, let's set up Apple Intelligence. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and you should see a new setting called Apple Intelligence at Siri. Tap that. It's crucial that Apple Intelligence is set to English, United States, for this to work. So tap Language here and select English, United States. Go back, and you'll see a prompt asking to change the language. Click Change Language. After a few seconds, you'll see a new button called Join the Apple Intelligence Waitlist. Click it. You'll see a summary of the new features. Once you're ready, click Join Waitlist. You're now successfully on the waitlist to use Apple Intelligence. Judging from others' experiences, this should only take a few minutes. As you can see, it has been less than 10 minutes and now I can start using the Apple Intelligence features. Once we are ready, you want to click on to turn on Apple Intelligence, and here it's going to give you another overview of the Apple Intelligence features. Once you're ready, click on Continue, and here you can set up some customization options, so you just want to go through them options. Now we've customized our Apple Intelligence preferences. You are now successfully using the new Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone. So if I go ahead and hold the power button on the side of my iPhone, and as you can see I can start talking to Siri just as I normally want. Another cool feature of Siri is that you can now type to it. And to do that you just want to double-click at the very bottom of your iPhone screen exactly where the home bar would be, and now you can type in your Siri request from here. And that's how you enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone outside of the USA. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips. Thanks for watching.